So lessons learned and best practices. So we said, okay, we did this implementation. What did we learn out of it, and how can we let the other customers and others in the market know what's the best practices, right? So scale, definitely the IT elasticity is needed. We use like a 4-node cluster, active, passive. That's the maximum we pushed it. We did lots and lots of testing. And then the segmented architecture, I can talk about this the whole day. I'm very passionate about the segmentation. So the segments, you have to segment your B2B processes with whatever makes sense for your business. It could be your business unit, or even within the business unit, you have like high SLAs and low SLAs. Then go and segment that with the logical or physical, whatever that you can do with your B2B processes. I can tell you a couple of examples why we were driven to do this, right? So one example was one of the business partner in one business segment misbehaving affects the other business segments. And mainly our toughest challenge was like getting the downtime approval from the change request, change management. That is like 200 plus people globally. They need to go and approve a downtime. So if we have it segmented, you don't have to chase all of them. You can just stick to like, whoever the stakeholders are and get their approval and go and do your maintenance. Right? Visibility, definitely we put in a lot of focus on there. Move all your, the research type or even the support inquiries to a self-service, where we have seen a lot of calls and emails coming back to IT has been reduced, right? So that's a big win for us in terms of like creating a process model, correlation. Business gets the full view of that correlation. So less calls to IT, we can go and focus on the higher value strategic initiatives. Authentication and authorization, this is something like, the B2BI by default gives you all the attributes of the data, the partner or the customer or who's my backend application, which are all the users can access. So based on that, you'd be able to easily control it from any visibility tool. We use Sentinel, but anything can sit on top of it and do it. Configuration standards, another item that we focused on. Standardize your process, standardize your coding standards. We use a lot of MVC work in here, and even a detector, which is like placed in a wrong sequence, can bring down your whole environment, right? So in order to avoid all of that, it's better to like have all the standards defined, and mostly you have to govern that.